everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I changed my YouTube name. I didn't like my full name to be on there, so I went ahead and changed it because if you actually go on to Google and you type in my name, you can actually see my name pop up, so I wasn't really crazy about that. Well, anyways, today I want to talk about a purse that I love. I know I say that, I always say that I love all my purses, but this is actually one of my favorites. The style of this purse was the second Louis Vuitton purse that I had ever purchased. Well, my husband had purchased it when we were just dating. It is the Neverfull. This Neverfull here is not the exact Neverfull that he had purchased for me, but I love Neverfulls. I would love them in all different canvases. The Ebin, the monogram, and obviously you see my Azur here. I had sold the one that my husband had bought me. I think it's in 2008 or 2009. I'm really not sure, and I do regret selling it. But about 2-3 years ago, he had bought this one for me, and I use it all the time. I love it. It is one of my top, most used purses, just because it's so easy and it just carries so much. And I love the opening of this bag when I'm on the go. It just makes it so much easier for me. And even though if this bag is big, I don't carry a lot in there unless I throw things in there to move it into my car, and then I'll take it out, or from my car to my office, whatever that may be. Sometimes I will carry a small wallet, or a lot of times I'll carry a small wallet with this purse, especially if I'm going shopping or I know I'm going to be gone for a while and I'll be walking, because I don't want my bag to be too heavy. But anyways, let me show you how good this bag has held up. I think it's 2 years old. As you can see here, the vachetta looks amazing. It's patinaed real beautifully. In the bag here, there is no stain transfers whatsoever. I really haven't had any problems with stain transfers at all. And I have wore dark jeans with it, but of course I've washed my dark jeans a few times before I would actually put this on, but I don't see anything whatsoever. Now, one thing I like about this bag is that it's white or gray, off-white, whatever, but I think it's gorgeous. I think it stands out a lot. I love the Damier Azur print. I would actually love the Damier Azur in the Speedy B 30 or the 25. I'm really not sure. I think I'm going for the 30 eventually later in the future, but I think it's such a gorgeous purse. And also the favorite MM. That's right now, that's what I'm thinking I would like, well, I would like it in that print. I can change my mind later, I don't know. But let me show you what I have in there. Right now I have a few things in there, as you can see. And let me show you the inside. I'll go ahead and remove everything out of here. So here is my pochette, which I have in the Damier Azur as well. Never had problems with color transfer with that. I do use my Alma PM often. Let me show it to you in the red. And I've been using this purse for a while. I just switched purses today. And the red, I have not had any problems with the color transfer at all, and I don't know, I know one person so far that has, but I haven't had that problem at all, and neither has my friend who has the same purse. So just to let you know, I haven't had any color transfer on this as well. Here's my iPad mini. I don't usually carry this. Once in a while I'll do, if I go to the big store or the library, my iPad mini here. My sunglasses, my 6-ring key holder, my key clay, I've got my glasses, my candy, and my sanitizer. And I got me a Kate Spade wallet in memory of Kate Spade. It's a gorgeous purse. Here you go. I picked up a little piece for my oldest daughter in memory of her as well. I just think it's a gorgeous purse, and gorgeous wallet, and I will be using it for a little bit because of what happened to her, and I just felt the need that I needed to go out and purchase some stuff from her. So, and here is the inside of my Neverfull. It's pretty clean in there. I haven't had any problems. Now, it's not perfect. I can see that there's some dust and a couple of little marks in there, dirt marks, and I'm assuming it's from my SLGs that I put into my bag here. And my pocket, so it's nice and clean. So all the Neverfulls come with a pocket just like this. And I think the newer ones, I'm not really sure if the old ones had a zipper or not. I can't really remember what mine looked like. But I do remember that on the pocket here, the writing was in cursive. So, and I actually like the way that looked, the one with cursive on it. And then, of course, it has the little clasp here, just in case you want to close your purse a little bit more. I have traveled in this bag, and this bag has worked out perfect. It's nice and big, like I say. I carry a purse or a jacket or a sweater with me usually when I go to the airport and when I'm on the airplane, because it does get cold. And I will usually cinch my purse just like this, throw my items in there, and then I'll throw my sweater in there. And then once I get on the airplane, I will slide it underneath my seat. And I haven't had any problems with that. When I used to go to work, I don't have a job right now, I'm getting ready to go to real estate school, but when I worked in the office, I would just come upstairs and just lay this on the floor, carefree. I didn't really worry about anything. If I did get anything on it, I know I can just wipe it down. But this purse is held up pretty well for it being, I'm going to say, I think maybe 2.5. I think it looks amazing. And of course, as you can see here, my favorite pom-pom right now, I've been putting this on all my purses that it matches with. I think it's so pretty. I'm obsessed with it right now. So right now it's on a bunch of my purses. So I know a lot of people use base shapers or what do you call those? Organizers. I don't really like them in my Neverfull. I tried it out from my Speedy that I have, and when I wear it like this, I just feel like my arm is sticking out like this. So I didn't like that. I was hoping I would because of the fact that it helps keep the base of my purse clean if you used a base shaper, but or an organizer, but I just didn't like the way it looked. And then I saw someone that was carrying a Neverfull and was using the organizer, and I can literally see the shape of the organizer, and it just looks so weird to me. I don't know if she overstuffed her bag, and it just looked to me, in my opinion, it just looked horrible. If I were to get a base shaper, I'm assuming I would get something a little bit thinner so it doesn't bulk up like hers did, because the whole point of this bag, I love the fact that it's soft and it's squishy and I can put my arms down and it's just so carefree. I just love that I can just take it and just fold it up. And I don't know, I just love this bag. It's very light as well. This bag is extremely light, and that's one of the reasons why I love this bag and also the Speedy, because they're both so light. And my Tournelle is not light. My Tournelle has a lot more material. You can tell it's expensive just by touching it and holding it. More expensive than this one. It just has a lot more to it. let me show you what my bag looks like on after I put my stuff in there. Okay, so I think it's gorgeous. I overstuffed it right now. This is not what I normally would put inside of my bag. So let me take out a couple of other things. I don't always carry my iPad mini. Let's see here. And I don't always carry my organizer. I carry it once in a while. So let me go ahead and take that out. And there it goes. So this is what I would carry. So I think it's gorgeous. I think this purse is amazing. I would love to have it in the event and back in the monogram. It's just so carefree. If you're wearing jeans, shorts, or whatever, you could just throw this on. To me, it fits the style. You can be wearing a dress or a romper like I'm wearing here, and I think it looks amazing. Now this romper here is from Target. I had just gotten it not that long ago, but I think it's pretty. The only thing I feel like this is missing is a pocket. I need pockets in my romper, but I think it's really cute. It's not too short. A lot of the rompers that I see the young girls wearing are they're just too fitted and too, something that a 49-year-old should not be wearing. So I feel like this is more age appropriate for me. It's a little bit longer. It comes pretty down far. I don't know if it's because I'm short and this is just the way it's fitting me, but I think it's really cute and I love the print and the color of this. Also, let me go back to my purse again. This purse here, I would say, well, I'm supposed to go visit my dad in New Jersey, and I'm probably going to carry this purse with me, only because of the fact that it's just easy, and I'll probably carry a tiny little purse and throw it into my bag, and it'll probably be a little cheap one or something, because if my bag gets lost, I don't want to have to worry about my Chanel wallet on chain. I would flip out if I had that in there. I don't really care if I lose. I mean, I do care, but if my luggage ever gets lost, I wouldn't want to worry about my Chanel wallet on chain. So I'll probably just put a little cheap little purse in there and then carry this one, because I'm pretty sure I'll be doing a lot of walking and going on the boardwalk and going on the Jersey Shore. So I'm really excited about that. So anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching my video, and please subscribe to me. I do have a lot more videos that are coming and I'm so excited to do them. I'm hoping that I can still keep up my videos once I start real estate school, which will be soon. And I know I'm going to be real busy. I'm going to be studying. And also, I don't know if I said this earlier. I did say it earlier, but my username or my name on YouTube is different now. It is Yoshia E. Yoshia is my Japanese middle name. I know I don't look it, but I am half Japanese. So don't think that's not me, and do not unsubscribe because of that. But I do hope I see you guys again. Anyways, I will talk to you guys another day, and God bless you. Bye.